The land of sin became Muslim, became land of Islam as a result of what? Female. That's you, sister. So do not allow somebody or hair salon or the beauty store to tell you you are only a pleasure giver. No, you are a nation builder. You're not there to give pleasure. You're out here to build nations. Khadija was one of them. Aisha was one of them. Fatima was one of them. Beyonce is never one. Rihanna never won. Nicki Minaj never won. Your predecessors from Aisha, Khadija, and all of them, they've done it. And if you insist but to imitate someone in today's world that is female, then don't imitate those, the ones that you just heard from Miley Cyrus. Be just like Michelle Obama then. In education, in influence, coming together. And whoever comes to separate us, we kick him outside and build our own communities. And even we don't have enough people filling up the masjid, but those who are loyal to our movement, it's enough for us. That's all we need today. And this is today's proposition. I ask Almighty Subhanahu wa Ta'ala to unite the Muslim Ummah. When I came today, I saw Sheikh Khalid Yasin. I said, Sheikh, just go ahead and do it. He gave us the floor. We ask Allah to bless the Sheikh. Keep him strong, inshallah, and keep our team moving. And Sheikh Abdullah, and I heard our Imam Asim, just got out of the hospital yesterday or day before. We keep him in our prayer. And also Brother Saifullah, he just get operation done on him yesterday. We also pray for him. And part of Islam is that when you meet someone and you check in the masjid, he or she is not there, to ask about that person. If sick, visit that person. Is part of brotherhood and sisterhood. May Allah keep us together and bless our communities. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help our own families and our own future to be shined by the young stars. اللهم أيدنا بالحق وأيد الحق بنا واستر عوراتنا آمن روعاتنا. Inshallah, we see you this evening بإذن الله تبارك وتعالى in our presentation after Maghrib prayer. Thank you very much for being with us. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.